Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing more work on the Jag. I'm going to be putting this door back together, and I'm going to fix this. Oh, that sounds really bad. And I'm going to try and fix this. It's a neutral, e-brakes on, and it's just slowly rolled back, which it shouldn't. And then I'm going to try and diagnose why my drive shaft is vibrating really loudly right here. And yeah, so let's get to it. First thing, this thing goes back. And then alrighty, now that looks a lot better. Now time to tear apart this door. What it's rubbing on up in there. Ah, it looks like it is rubbing against the door latch. Okay, so I'm just gonna take this and just manhandle it and bend it out of the way. Hopefully I don't break the door latch. Okay, well the door's still apart. Let's test that one more time. Nice. So that is fixed. On to the next thing. got that door back together. It's a lot easier to take apart than put together. Oh. One last piece. Done. Alrighty, now I got the wheel off and everything. I should be able to stick the screwdriver in here. Spin this thing. Come on. I'm gonna pull the e-brake in. See how it is. Bar in here, see if we can get a budge. Nope, gotta go tighter. Ready? Let's get back onto the hill of the driveway, then we're going to test this e-brake. Straighten out wheel, okay. Neutral. And now it stays. Not moving at all. If I go like this, starts moving, and I pull the e-brake and it stops again. Now, put the wheels back on, and I'm going to climb up in there and check out the drive shaft. Alrighty, let's look around. Check those U-joints. Those U-joints are good. Alright, I just want the specific thing I'm looking for. Right here it is. So you got the drive shaft. Oh god. You can't really see anything. Drive shaft comes to U-joint. Then right there, pretty sure it's called a carrier bearing. And I think that's shock, because that's where all the vibration's coming from, by right here. So, oh man, I might want to buy some paint. Repaint and restore this piece while I'm at it. But yeah, order a new carrier bearing for this thing. I'm gonna have to drop the exhaust out of the way and slide the drive shaft apart. Alright, I'll probably just disconnect it from right there and then pull it out backwards. So, yeah. Let's get out from under here. Let's grab my handbag. So I'm probably gonna have another video. I'll be replacing the carrier bearing on this thing. Correct me if that's the wrong name for it, but I'm pretty sure that's the right name. Because it's about like right there. I'm driving down the road. I put my hand here, and right here's where the majority of the vibrations come from. So yeah, wonder how much that's gonna cost. But that's gonna be all for this video. So if you liked it, give it a like. Want to see more videos on this hunk of junk, and hit subscribe.